GigaMe Instructor Live Sessions. Today, we take a session on sorting an array by frequency and removing duplicates in Java.
Hi, Richa.
Hi Akshaya, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are
I'm,
you?
I'm good too. We had last session on 14th of August.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, quite the time.
Yeah.
Acha, but we covered binary search tree and all, right?
Yeah.
Dynamic programming we also covered, right?
Yes.
Link. Acha, we covered all of the patterns. What is left?
No, we covered it was just like a mock session
Oh,
we
today's
scheduled.
mock
I have
session.
an interview. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. I was not aware of that. Okay, so mock for data structures, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then please share your screen.
Okay.
You're having interview coming?
Yeah, next week I have one with Microsoft on-site loop I have.
Okay, can you tell me their requirements? So accordingly, I will.
Requirements.
Yeah, like requirements as in like what job role they are looking for, or they have mentioned anything apart from algorithm or data structures and all.
So they said it is actually for Microsoft Teams. They wanted a front-end focused full stack developer.
Front end
It's like,
focused.
yeah.
But you are back end.
No, I'm full stack only.
Oh, okay, fine. So React
I Yeah.
for the front end. Okay, so actually, I'm asking you this because I want to know that whether you want, because they are asking for the front end, right? So that means they are going to
Mm.
ask you the questions for the front end only.
No, but last for the technical screen, it was more like DSA questions only they
Okay,
asked.
only DSA. Okay, so you want this mock session to be purely for data structure or anything else as well?
I want it to be mostly for data structure.
Done.
Yeah.
Then in the last, I will ask you a few questions from React as well. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So one more thing, Akshay, you have done practice in JavaScript or Java in DSA.
I have practiced in Java.
In Java, you have practiced. Okay, fine. So let's start with a very basic question. So I'm going to
Mm.
give you the time limit as well. Okay, so within
Okay.
that particular time, you have to complete that question. So let's start from the
Okay.
very basic one. Mm, how can I sort an array based on the frequency of its elements? Okay, and then remove any repeated values.
So basically, you're giving an array and it has repeated elements,
Mhm.
and I'll have to
It
sort
can
it
not
and
have. Yeah. And I want you to sort this array based on the frequency of the elements and then remove any repeated elements.
remove the duplicates, is it?
Correct.
Okay. So I'll use a hash map, and what I'll do
No,
is
pure Java.
I'll
Don't use any map
yeah.
method. Mhm.
No, I should not use any map method.
No, because most of the time they ask candidates to do it without any, map methods and all. Do it in like pure Java, basic Java.
Oh.
Yeah, I told you this thing as well, right? In one of the lectures that they are demanding this.
Yeah,
Because
I mean,
I know that with the map method, you can easily do in like within a few minutes, right?
mm, okay. And you should also sort it also.
Yeah, you need to sort it as well.
So I can use arrays.sort to sort it, or oh, I have to sort it based on the frequency. Okay,
Correct.
but without any using additional data structure.
Mm-hmm. Think in your mind that how you're going to solve this. Do you have pen or paper with you?
No, actually, I don't have. Yeah, I have pen and paper. Yes.
Like draw your strategy there. Okay. And then start writing the code.
But I have to sort based on the frequency of the element, is it?
Correct.
How do I solve this? I mean,
Think. What is bothering you in this question?
like, how do I sort based on the frequency is what I'm thinking. And how do I
Okay.
store the frequency of each element? Where do I store it? And for each element, I have to store a frequency.
Mm-hmm.
So I need an additional data structure to store the frequency.
Okay,
Or
which data
what I can
structure you
do
are
is
thinking?
I can use an array. So I can't use any data structure. I need to use an additional data structure.
Okay,
If not
additional data
hash,
structure as in what is coming in your mind?
array I can use like a frequency map.
Okay, use that.
Okay. So I'll use the array map and I'm just assuming the number is between 0 and 100. So if they are equal, then how should I sort it? If the frequency is
Then
equal.
let's say the frequency is equal, okay? And they are coming, let me see yours. Which one is having equal frequency? One,
Here, if you see
one,
1,
and 2.
5, 2, yeah,
And one is having 2, 2 is also having 2, correct? Then
yeah,
write them like this only, 1 or 2. Like in the order they are coming. Got it?
yeah. Arrays dot sort is not applicable, it is saying.
Sorry? What it is saying? Arrays dot sort is not applicable.
Mm.
But you by default doing util dot start, then you should not have specifically used dot arrays separately.
Huh?
It is giving you error on dot sort method, arrays dot sort, right?
Ah,
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. At line number 1, you are already having util dot star. So star means you're already bringing everything, right? So there is no need to for
yeah.
specific arrays. Yeah, can you go there? Can you go to the code? Mhm. Let me see. No suitable method found for sort. Is the syntax right?
Huh? Here, frequency of, yeah, frequency map of A.
Int of this frequency map is equal to you int this, okay. Then arrays dot fill. Okay, that is also fine. Then it is having the issue in arrays dot sort a double r. Okay. Then you're giving the second. Okay. Then array button frequency map of A minus frequency map of B. What is A? What is here?
A frequency map of A is a element in array. I should give greater than this one, is it? No, it is
No, just going to give you the error. Can you write frequency map 1 minus frequency map 2 or 1? Instead of A and B, write 1, 1. Let's see. Go back to this, Akshay, go back to your screen. Wait, let me stay here. Let me read the code. You're in the main method, you have done this is equal to new int. Okay, fine. And the system dot out print ln arrays dot toString, that is also fine. Main dot sort array. What is this main dot sort array? Line number
main
8.
dot, that is the main dot sort. I'm calling this. I'm calling
Why
the
don't-
function sort
You
ARR.
can call it directly, na?
Oh, okay. But it's static, so I thought. Okay, that is.
Okay, and after that private static void this, then int this frequency map is equal to new int arrays dot fill frequency map 0. Okay, fine. And then for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than I dot length I plus plus frequency map array of I plus plus. Okay. This is a lambda expression, right?
Yeah.
That is giving you the problem.
It should be this one, right? Yes.
Wait, I'm giving you something. We are having this int array, right? This is where it is giving the problem. It is do add one line there. This line. Let's try this.
You pasted
I've
in the
sent you. Yeah, I've sent you. Add. Can you add this line before for loop?
Mm.
Okay, and then wait. I'm giving you one more. Can you add this instead of arrays dot sort? Wait. Why it is coming like this? If condition you're having return, after return, you're seeing else. Yeah, put enter before. Correct. Can you run it now?
Okay. Cannot invoke int value because parameter is null at 22.
Line 22, it is giving error.
Yeah.
Did you remove something else as well?
No, I did not remove.
Wait, int frequency is equal to frequency map. Int frequency B is equal to frequency map B. If frequency is not equal to frequency B, then return frequency B minus frequency A. Okay, else return A minus, what are you writing? A minus what?
Else return A minus B.
Okay, else return A minus B.
Oh, this one is, but here we are not assigning this into array object is null, right?
Yeah, we are doing it with array of object now. This is a new object.
So I have to assign ARR of I to ARR
We are
object.
writing it now, we are assigning it here. Array of object of
Where?
I is equal to array of I.
No, but this array of I equals array of object of I. Here if
Yeah,
you
this is
do,
correct.
but okay, but I have to say like array of object of I is equal to ARR of I. Like I have to assign array
Okay, okay. In
object.
above for loop, yeah, correct, correct. I thought that in the lower one. You can
Okay,
also comment this line number 22 then.
22 is, no, that is required. No, we am using frequency map.
Try this. Try put it in comments.
This one.
Mm-hmm. Now
If I
see.
do that, it won't work. No, I'm using this frequency map to do it.
Let's see.
Oh, but how is it doing that?
Okay.
Frequency map of,
And because we are putting the expressions directly, na. Earlier, what you were doing, you were putting the data normals dot sort having a minus b and then using the lambda expression for like frequency of a minus frequency of b, right? Here we are
yeah.
assigning those values.
Yeah,
Yes.
but I for the frequency map value I have to calculate, no, for
But it
ARR
is
of I.
already incrementing, na, Akshay, at line number 19.
19 it is not incrementing.
You are having,
Here
you
we
are
are only
saying,
going through the, here only
correct,
I'm only going through the loop. Only here
correct.
I'm incrementing the frequency map.
Yes, you are
So,
incrementing the value here, right? Earlier, you were working with the direct array, ARR, right?
uh,
Okay, now we are putting the value into array of object here.
yes.
Fine. And at line number 24, you're doing arrays dot sort with array of obj, comma A, comma B.
Uh, Yeah, but here we are also using the frequency map to sort it. And the frequency map needs to have that value for that ARR of I.
So so you are saying that frequency of map A, comma B, why we are not increasing the value, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, see, read the code from line number 15.
So here I'm creating a frequency map and filling it with 0 and then creating an integer object. And then here in this, I'm assigning the ARR of I to ARR of object I. And here I'm sorting ARR of object and A comma B and sorry, getting frequency A equals frequency map of A and frequency B is frequency map of B. And if they are not equal, then I'm returning frequency B minus A. Else I'm returning A minus B. And then here I'm assigning AR of object I back to AR of I. But here I have to calculate the frequency map, right? Only then it will have the value of the frequency.
See, when you were using the frequency map, you were taking that line means for you that take the element at array of I, go to go to that index in frequency map and increment the count there, right?
Yeah, yes.
Correct. Now, when we
Yeah.
are sorting the elements, while sorting the elements, you don't need to increment anything. You are not counting the frequency anymore. You are simply comparing the frequencies of the two elements here.
But the frequency I'm taking from the frequency map only.
That is fine. See, um, at line number 24, right? That's where the problem is
Yeah,
coming. Correct.
yeah,
Now, in
yeah.
this piece of block, you're accessing the frequency of A and B by looking it up in the frequency map, like frequency map A and frequency map B, simply retrieving the frequency that was previously calculated. You're also
Yeah, here only I'm
calculating.
calculating it.
Okay. And you don't need the increment of frequency here because that work was already done earlier when building up the frequency map only.
But this is where I'm building the frequency map.
No, see,
Yeah.
okay, see, when you're doing the comparison,
Uh,
right, you are just retrieving the previously counted frequencies of A and B to compare them.
yeah. Yeah.
You're just comparing them, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So there's no need for the plus plus during the sorting.
No, no, not during. This is not sorting, right? This is the building. Here I'm saying. Here it has to be there, no? In this loop.
Acha, run it with this. There's also giving you the same answer, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
And do it without that.
One second. I'll just. Um, no, it's changed. See.
Hmm?
It is not getting so. It's getting only sorted by the numbers.
By the numbers only, right?
Yeah.
So that means
It should be there. But okay, but how do I do it without a frequency map? You said without any additional data structure we can do it. How do I do that?
but did you get the logic that if you're not going to use say 22? No, you have to use like other array.
Ah,
You're going to use other array.
okay.
Yeah. But did you get the idea that get the clarity that if you're not going to use line number 22, why it is still giving you the answer?
It didn't give me the answer. It gave me the wrong answer, no?
It is giving the wrong.
Yeah, it gave wrong.
Wait, put it in comments.
See. Now if you see I sort it. If you see it is getting sorted by the not the frequency, it is getting sorted by the number. It is
Wait,
going to the else condition.
wait, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 5. Okay, it should have 1, 1, 2, 2, and 5, 5 before, right?
5, 5 before, yeah.
Okay, put 22 at out of comment. Save it. Now execute it. 1, 1, 2. Yeah, correct. Yeah, we are right at this point.
Okay.
Correct. But yeah, this is how we can do. Okay. Now, Akshay, tell me. When I asked you this question, I told you that do not use any map method, and then when you ask, okay, I have to use one array, then I said, okay, use like additional array, right?
Yeah.
But why there was nervousness in the starting of the question?
I was not able to figure out any other way without using additional data structure.
No, after even like telling you that you can add like use one more array. After that,
Oh.
you were also struggling. That's actually I want to know the reason that what was going in your mind.
I don't know. I mean, I was just wondering how to do without the additional data structure, I guess.
See, when I told you, okay, use the array,
Mm.
right? Then why this
Yeah,
question was coming to your mind? You should not have this question, right? In your mind, then you should
yeah.
focus on the implementation part. So do not do this
Okay.
in interview, okay? If they have told you, okay,
Yeah.
use this, and then leave that previous part.
Okay.
Okay, do not get confused in there. Do not like show them anything in front of them. Okay, you are getting confused or you are struggling there. They can
Okay.
easily catch you. Aksha, you are very smart. See, I know that you are very smart in writing the code. Okay, you can write the
Okay.
code in within few fraction of seconds. But if you are having a confusion in your mind, that's why I asked you to have a pen or paper. Like, do it there,
Okay.
but don't show it in front of them. Okay?
Okay.
Anything is coming in your mind?
No.
No. Okay, write this question. Um, Write an algorithm to find four numbers in an array that sum up to a target value.
Write an algorithm.
To find four numbers in an array that sum up to a target value.
Um, for this, but four
Mhm.
numbers that target in an array that sum up to a target value. Um,
Four
so I
elements.
will probably, so I'll sort the array
Mhm.
and um, I'll sort the array and I'll probably use a two pointer, say a two pointer, and try to find the two other values in the second loop.
Mhm. So this is a sort of like sub-array problem, na,
Um,
Aksha?
okay, subarray sum that goes to the target, yeah. But
Mhm.
it doesn't say consecutive numbers,
Yeah,
right?
it
It
doesn't
says
have
any
to be,
four
it
numbers
can be
only.
subsequence as well as it can be sub-array.
So okay. So it okay, it should be in okay, it could be subsequence or something. So which means the order has to be maintained or something, is it? What does it mean? It could be like any random four numbers, or if it means subsequence or subset means what does?
Yeah. So it you can have any four numbers. They are not writing here sub-array. Sub-array, if they would have specifically wrote, then that means that it has to be in continuous, right? But if they are not writing that,
Yeah.
it can be subsequence as well.
Okay.
And Akshay, why you
So
did
I'll
not get
use
Akshay, why did not you get this question
uh,
earlier? Why did not you
which
think that this is a
question?
sort of sub-array or subsequence question?
Because that four continuous numbers was not there, so I was not thinking like that.
If it is not there, but again it is subsequence. But you have to find the element within the array only, right? This is the
Yeah,
first
but
question we did.
subarray means I have to give four continuous numbers, so I'll have to use a sliding window approach.
Mhm.
But here I can't use a sliding window approach because it could be any four numbers.
It can be any four numbers. Yeah. Then you can use two pointers.
Yeah, and I have to use two loops for that.
Yeah. Right. Okay, start write. Whatever is coming in your mind, just start writing the code.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Akshay, do you have my number on WhatsApp?
Yeah, I do have your number. Yeah.
Can you please ping me again? I'm sending you one document. There, like I
Mm,
got it online, where
okay.
they are giving us that the problems that Microsoft in focus while taking the interviews in data structures.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
so
yeah.
I'm sharing that document with you.
Okay. You want me to ping me? I don't have my mobile right now. Like
Ping me
afterwards,
later.
you.
That's fine. Yeah, yeah, ping me later. But ping me, huh?
Okay. Or I should write.
The document I'm going to send you, now do it after completing everything.
Okay. After, as in after completing everything. I think this is how, I don't know if it will work.
It is giving you the answer.
Oh no, I haven't checked it yet. I removed it now, but it's not giving me any answer actually.
Program did not output anything. Did you print those numbers, those elements?
Yeah, I'm printing here, but I don't know the logic. I think it's wrong.
Okay, give me that logic. I'm sending you one logic. Try that because the logic for this one was with me. Like there are two ways that you can do. Okay, I'm giving you the it side by side.
It's not printing anything. I think something, I mean, this is what I've done.
Akshay, can
Yeah,
you? I'm sending you one link. Okay, open that
okay,
link and then you will get the solution there. Try to run that solution.
okay.
And in the same file, then copy paste your code because I have to check it where the issue is coming. Akshay, this one is giving the answer.
This one, I've not checked. I'll just check.
Can you copy paste your code in that link
I've copy pasted actually.
in that link, the entire code?
Uh, in the, yeah, in that link I've copy pasted. It is working.
Below down there, it is your code.
Yes. So I use two pointer and then I'm doing, but here what you're doing is you're having two for loops and then you're doing the two pointer approach.
Yeah.
So I think
Anyhow,
that is why.
any solution that we are looking for this night is going to give us the order of n cube
Yeah.
by default. Wait, let me check here. Check, I have put it there, the solution. But anyhow, Aksha, this question is going to give you like n cube by any means.
Okay. Yeah, so I got your solution. You given.
No, I have turned your solution as well as a little bit of things. Aksha, you are
Yeah.
able to write the code. Try to work on your speed a little bit, not much, but little bit you
Okay.
have to work on the speed.
Okay.
Okay. And okay, let me ask you a few questions. Do you want me to ask you a few questions on front end on React?
Yeah, okay.
No, if you want, then only I will ask. If you want, if you have something else in your mind, then also tell me.
So I'm not sure what sort of do they ask any sort of time. See, this is the actual this one job description. So
Yeah, that's why I like looked for the internet. Then something was there. So I put that, like 2 or 3 websites were having that. So I put it in the document. Okay, I'll send that to you, that what type of questions they asked, basically, what type of problems they basically focus on.
Okay.
Okay. But don't worry,
So this
don't
is
like the coding. For that, I'm pretty confident. I have confidence in you for that. Okay.
okay.
Just don't show them if you're not able to get anything or if you're struggling. Don't show them.
Okay.
I know it's easy
Okay.
to say, but
Yeah.
try to be calm, basically, what I'm saying. Okay. It is telephonic or what?
No, it is actually through Teams link actually.
Okay, so like we are doing right now, right?
Yeah, like it will be a face-to-face interview,
Face-to-face
but
interview.
it's a
Okay.
video call. Yeah.
Video call interview. Okay. So you'll be writing the code in front of them there.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. Uh, okay. Let me ask you simple questions. Did you send me the job description?
I was trying to. I am send the link actually in the chat.
Okay. It is not getting opened. Wait. Software engineer too, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Responsibility, maintenance of chat, calling, meeting protection, full stack solutions in Microsoft, designing, building adaptation, effective collaboration. Mm. Okay, they have not written much. Designing, developing, testing. They have summarized everything, basically.
Yeah.
Acha, they are required qualifications or equivalent experience to use plus system design on large scale services and building and shaping up the project and skills. Okay, no issues. So you are saying that basically in the first round they are going to ask the DSA only, right?
Well, yeah, they are DSA actually. So I think this one will also have 3 rounds, 4 rounds actually. So
For
I'm
DSA
thinking
only?
they'll ask system design. I mean, the pattern is usually they ask system design,
Correct.
behavioral round, and
Yeah. But,
DSA.
but you have to clear DSA before that, right?
Yes, yes.
Behavior
I think
interview, I think
first
they are
one.
nowadays doing it in the last only.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, give me one more question. Answer.
Okay.
Mm, where is that? Okay, just tell me that how you can do. Longest substring without repeating characters.
Substring without repeating characters.
Mm-hmm.
So I should send the maximum length or the minimum length or
You're
just
asking
as a.
me or you're telling me?
I'm asking you the question like, should I find the maximum substring or the minimum substring or
Yeah, maximum, longest substring.
longest substring?
Yeah, without
Okay.
repeating
For
character.
that, I'll use a sliding window technique. So I'll use
Mm-hmm.
a two-pointer. So S will be the starting S will be initialized to 0 and the end will be traversing through the loop. And every time I will check, I'll maintain a hash set and check the characters and see if it is equal to the length of the string, what substring so far. If it is not so, if it is they are not equal, then there are duplicate characters. Or what I'll do is I'll have the hash set, and in the hash set I will add all the characters, and if I'll check if after I mean adding while adding the character, I'll check if it already contains hash set contains the character. If it contains the character, then I'll move the S pointer
Mm-hmm.
until it does not contain. Then what I'll do is I'll calculate the length found so far.
Okay.
And I'll compare it with the maximum substring, and I'll store the maximum substring length and also the S and E pointers. So I'll do this until the end pointer reaches the end of this string, and then I'll return the maximum. Basically, I'll return the start point. I'll basically find the substring from the start pointer and the maximum length found, and I'll return the substring.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Good. Okay. And how can you reverse a linked list?
Reverse a linked list. For that, I'll use a next pointer. So I'll use a next pointer and I'll use a current pointer and previous. These variables I'll use. That is current. So the current will be the pointer which moves till the end, and so like current. Current will move till the end, and so if what I'll do is I'll use a while loop. For the while loop, so in the while loop, I'll check if current is not equal to null. So current I'll assign to the header. I'll assign it to the head, and so every time what I'll do is I'll have a current. I'll set the current dot next will be next. Then what I'll do is I'll have a previous pointer which holds the previous node value. So initially it will be null. So what I'll do is I'll point the current dot next to previous, and then I'll set previous equal to current. So which means now after this previous will be current node. Previous will point to the current node, and then I'll assign the current to the next to the current. So the current will be now next. So that way, every time I'll remove the link of the current node and point to the previous pointer, and I'll assign the variables. Like I'll assign previous to the current node, and then the current will point to the next node. That way, it'll like move till the end of current will move to the end of the loop, and it'll reverse.
Okay, correct, correct. Okay, so I'll send you, ping me, I'll send you the list of the questions and the topics that they generally focus on. Okay, and you do let me know how your interview went. When it is next week, right?
Yeah, it is next week.
Yeah, if you don't have session
And
then do
yeah,
let
and
me
also
know.
yeah, and also one more thing is the system design they were asking actually. So
Yeah.
uh,
Do you have any lecture on system design?
yeah, tomorrow I have. But do you
Great.
have any preparation tips and all like for system design interview? How it
Yes,
goes?
I do have. I need to. I don't know where it is. I have kept it. Okay, I'll find it. No issue. But yes, I do have that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
And you have sent me that list now. So they have certain set of requirements in the system design as well. So I'll try to bring the questions for the same. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Akshay. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Don't like. I don't like this. You know, fear in your voice. Why you have? Yeah. Literally, I'm feeling like this. Why you having this?
I mean, no, actually, it's like, I've been searching for a job for 1 year, so I'm kind of like nervous, so that's all.
You're freaking out. I know, I understand, but don't overpower it. Don't let it
Okay.
overpower you. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Aksha?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. You're good in coding. That's the matter.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Chalo. All the best. If you have any query, just do let me know on the WhatsApp. Okay?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Take care, Aksha. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Want to stay updated and learn more? Follow us on social media.